Hi, welcome to Tanio TV. My name is Emma and today we'll be decorating some pumpkins. You will need a pumpkin, some marker pens or paint, some sticks of the same length, and as an alternative you can use natural material such as moss and leaves and some glue to stick them on. I will show you another fun design using some lollipops. All these designs mean that you don't need to use a knife. First you draw a face on your pumpkin using a pencil. And then you can go over the top using marker pens. Or you can use paint, or you can glue natural material on. Today I am using marker pens, but they all look equally good. You then need to cut your sticks roughly the same size. When I cut my sticks, I try and make one end pointy. You then carefully hit the sticks into the top of the pumpkin, using the hammer with the pointy end going into the pumpkin. Be careful doing this with only small hits with the hammer. Ask an adult if you need some help. Now you have finished your Halloween pumpkin. Another fun idea is to use lollipops instead of sticks. So instead of hitting sticks in, you push the lollipops into the pumpkin instead, like this.